Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send messages on Facebook. First of all, you click on the Facebook app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. At the top right, you're provided with three icons: the plus icon, the search icon, and the messaging icon. Here you click on the messaging icon, which is the last one here, and then you can choose whoever you wish to send the message to. You can either send to those here, or you can just click on the search tab and search for who you wish to send messages to, or choose those who are online above here. You click on whoever you wish to send to, and then you can type in your messages. Hey, you can use your emojis, which is at the beside the typing here, and then you can just send emojis or stickers. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.